So my name's Emily Deer. I'm from Llantwit Major in the Vale of Glamorgan. I am really, I'm into, I suppose, like watching TV shows and films, and mostly the makeup side of things. I really love everything beauty related, everything makeup, nails, hair. I love going to concerts and listening to music quite a lot. Occasionally we play the guitar. Before I was doing this, I was working full-time in retail, like in a makeup shop, so more in a beauty environment within retail. So I did that for just under a year, and then before that I was in college doing like a hair and a makeup TV course, so a level 2, 3 and a 4 in college, and working in hospitality and stuff at the same time. I saw the apprenticeship advertised on Screen Alliance Wales's Instagram, so I saw that they'd reshared it, so I jumped straight on that and applied straight away. The initial application process was probably it was a little bit long, but it was definitely worthwhile. It wasn't something that was unachievable. It wasn't like they had loads of really lengthy questions or anything. It was all quite easy and quite straightforward, but it was a little bit long. Yeah. And then obviously the interview process was really enjoyable. It was a nice, like, relaxed sort of atmosphere, and it was in a group setting as well, so that was quite nice too. So I just like to get some good TV experience out of the apprenticeship, get some connections within the industry, expand on my experience within TV. That's just the goal, really, of film, is to get more experience.